Trying to open a TSCPROJ file from a Camtasia video editing project. This format contains your full video editing timeline, including clips, effects, and annotations. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to access and work with these Camtasia project files. The fastest way to confirm a file's state is with a dedicated file reader. It's better at handling TSCPROJ files with integrity issues than most dedicated programs. A TSCPROJ file is a video project created by TechSmith Camtasia, version 9 and later. It doesn't contain the actual video, but rather references to media clips, edits, effects, and timeline information. Users create these files to save their work in progress and must export to a format like MP4 for final viewing. The TSCPROJ format is essentially a JSON, JavaScript Object Notation file. This text-based structure was chosen for its human readability and ease of parsing. It stores project metadata, media paths, timeline arrangements, and effect parameters, allowing for non-destructive editing without altering the original source files. Windows registers the TSCPROJ file as an opener for TechSmith Camtasia, developed by TechSmith Corporation. The file structure is too complex for native Windows editing tools to manage reliably. Windows can display most videos, but advanced encoding or repair requires specialized tools. The easiest solution is often finding the right app. Right-click the TSCPROJ file and choose Open With. Start with TechSmith Camtasia if available. If not, choose another option. Expect a little trial and error. If the TSCPROJ file is still giving you trouble, relax. This is the last stop before the universal fix. Let's quickly test these common failure points to confirm the depth of the TSCPROJ problem. First, opening in Camtasia. Install TechSmith Camtasia and double-click the TSCPROJ file to open it directly. Camtasia loads the project timeline, with all clips, effects, and annotations restored. Ensure all referenced media files remain in their original locations, or use Camtasia's Media Manager to relink missing assets. Next, importing older projects. For TSCPROJ files from older Camtasia versions, modern Camtasia automatically prompts to upgrade the project format. Accept the upgrade and save a backup before proceeding. The application converts older project structures to the current format, preserving editing decisions and effects where possible. Finally, sharing project packages. To share a project with all assets, use Camtasia's File Export Project for mobile or File Export Zipped Project feature. This bundles the TSCPROJ file with referenced media into a single archive, ensuring recipients can open the complete project without missing files. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-Zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.